Our recommendation is that whenever you need to pack, do not use cotton on a roll that is the fluffy cotton, the soft cotton on a roll that leaves behind all kinds of little pieces and falls apart very easily, but rather to use Webril. It is compacted cotton that comes on a roll, and they pull off in towelettes. I would use these towelettes always fold it over so that immediately when you remove it from the roll, I would fold it. It then cuts very easily, or tears very easily, lengthwise in this direction. In this direction, it doesn't tear at all unless you force it or cut it. I would always use a double layer of Webril for any packing.